White Bull's Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Welcome back, barbecue fam. Chris here from White Bull's Barbecue, and today we're going to be doing a corned beef brisket. We got a brisket point that's already been curing. It came with a little spice packet. This brisket point's going to be amazing. It's going to be corned beef just in time for St. Patty's Day. We're going to smoke it just like a brisket any other time. I'm rolling 225 for 3 hours. Then I'm going to bump it to 250, wrap it at 165, pull around 200. You know the vibes. This ain't my first rodeo. I just want to show you guys how to do it because it's St. Patty's. Let's do the damn thing. Hit that like and subscribe, and let's jump into it. All right, we got this corned beef brisket. Comes with a little packet. So we're just gonna add the packet. Probably about half of the packet we'll use. The other half of this, we're gonna use some V-Rub for beef from White Bull's Barbecue. Just to give it that little extra kick I would enjoy. But you guys can do whatever you want. As long as you're using most of this packet, you're gonna nail the mark for what you're looking for corned beef. And we're gonna do it just in time for St. Patty's. So now that that's done, we're gonna use D-Rub for beef. Finish this baby off. And this is brisket point. Don't wanna go crazy because it's already brined in salt solution. So this is already gonna be salty as hell. We're just adding a little dusting. We got the Traeger Ironwood 885 rolling at 225. We're gonna smoke this for 3 hours on super smoke, and then we're gonna bump it up to 250 and treat it just like any other brisket, but it's gonna be coming with a different flavor profile. Let's do the damn thing. So we're rolling on super smoke. Got the Traeger Ironwood 885. We're gonna hit this with a water spritz, and then in a half hour at the 3 hour mark, we're gonna crank it to 250. So let's take a look at this and give it a spritz. Does it even smoke? H2O, you know the vibes. So the reason we go 225 to 250 is because 225 for 3 hours is gonna give you plenty of smoke, and it's a corned beef brisket, so it's not a regular brisket, doesn't need as much smokiness. Crank it to 250, let it rock out the rest of the way. When it hits 165, 170, we're gonna hit it with that Texas crutch. If you know, you know. Help us get past that stall. Keep in mind that this is only a brisket point. So it's not a full brisket, it's not a full packer, it's not a flat. It's just a point that's been cured and it's ready for that corned beef experience. So once it hits 165, 170, wrap it. Then we're gonna pull it at 200, 205, rest it like a regular brisket. Then we're gonna get the slice in and we're gonna feel lucky. Happy St. Patty's Day. As you can see, we're at 167. It's time to wrap this thing. Let's go. Oh yeah, this is looking phenomenal, guys. Let me get this back together so we can do some decent cuts, have a decent layout. Wait a second. Juice waterfalls, bruh. This is amazing. I'm gonna give you guys an even better look at this. Mad juicy, guys. Mad juicy. Mad tender. I mean, look at this. It wants to fall apart. Amazing. Literally amazing, guys. The effect of the cure is very obvious of breaking down the fats and the protein, and then smoking it is really a cherry on top. Incredible. That's a win. Alright, I don't suggest eating a ton of it because it's super salty, but just an amazing brisket, super juicy, super fatty. In Texas, in Central Texas, they call that point of the brisket the moist. I know some of you don't like the word moist, but moist! That's my favorite. So doing this was a pleasure. It was nice and juicy, super tender, nice and salty, had that unique taste to it. I hope you guys enjoy your St. Patty's Day weekend, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like and subscribe, comment what you want to see next time below, and you know the vibes, baby. The best damn barbecue ever. I'm out.
White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.